Hey, are you living life like a financial genius? Or are you just flying blind when it comes to your money? Well, I hate to break it to you, but you might be making some major money mistakes right now without even knowing it. Don't worry though, I'm here to help you fix it. Let's go into the 5 biggest money mistakes you're probably making and how to avoid them. First up, overspending. We all love a good treat, right? You see that shiny new phone or you think, one more round of drinks won't hurt, but here's the truth. Those small purchases add up faster than your favorite Netflix series. You're thinking it's just a few bucks here and there, but in the long run, it can be thousands of dollars. Think about it. You can easily spend $10 a day on something unnecessary. That's $3,650 a year. Now, I'm not saying never buy anything fun again, but track what you're spending. Apps like Mint can show you where your money is leaking out like a broken faucet. Cutting back on just a few things can save you big. Now let's talk about your credit score. What's that? Oh, just the 3-digit number that controls your life. No big deal, right? Wrong. Your credit score impacts everything from buying a car to renting a place to even getting that sweet, sweet credit card. If you don't know your score, you're basically walking around in the dark, hoping for the best. And bad credit? Oh, that's like a roadblock in your financial future. High interest rates on loans, no approval for apartments. It's a mess. But here's a fix: check your score, pay your bills on time, and keep your credit utilization low. Easy, right? A little effort now can save you a ton later. Here's the next one: not saving early. You might be thinking, I'm 22, I've got time. Well, trust me, 22 can turn into 30 real quick. Saving early means your money can grow for you, thanks to compound interest. It's like planting a tree, small investment now, big returns later. If you wait too long to save, you're missing out on that growth. Even if it's just $50 a month, start saving in a retirement account like a 401k or an IRA. Your future self will thank you when you're sitting on a beach in your 40s instead of working 9-5. Another biggie: not having an emergency fund. If you're living paycheck to paycheck and don't have a buffer, you're basically playing Russian roulette with your finances. Stuff happens, car breaks down, medical bills pop up, or maybe your boss gets really good at making you feel awkward. An emergency fund is your safety net. Aim to save at least $1,000 to start. Once that's done, work toward 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses. Life will throw curveballs at you, but with a solid emergency fund, you'll be ready for anything. And the last mistake: only focusing on income. It's easy to think that more money equals more freedom, right? But here's the thing. If you're blowing through that paycheck as soon as you get it, it doesn't matter how much you make. It's about what you keep and how you use it.